guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna. Today's video is going to be part of my one palette series, and we're going to be featuring this palette, which is the Lorac Pro Mega 2, I think that's how the name goes, or Lorac Mega 2 Pro. That's the palette we're going to be using today. Whoa. Don't mind my hair, by the way. I got stuck in the rain yesterday, so my hair is huge. But these are the shades, and it's so pretty. I love this palette back in the day when it came out, and then you just start buying, or for my case I just started buying like other eyeshadow palettes, and then I started using those instead of this one. But I was going through my makeup collection and I noticed this one and I remembered how much I liked it, so we're gonna be using this one. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and just keep on watching to see. I did my face makeup already, and this time I actually did everything. I did even the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. So this video is just going to be focusing on the eyes and then the lips, and then we'll be done. So it's a quick video, so let's get started. So the color I'm going to go in with is Sorbet or Sherbet, however you pronounce it, and it's this nice pinky color. The brush I'm going to be using is the Soho one, and I'm going to dip that into Sorbet. So as you guys can see, I built up that color. Now we're going to go into this color over here, which is called Lavender. Oh, right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know I'm showing them pretty far today. I'm just trying out a new technique. Shade I'm gonna go in with is Purple. I just wanted to mention to you guys that I got 3 new brushes, and they're all from e.l.f. One of them is called the Detailed Crease Brush, Tapered Blending Brush, and this is the Precision Smudge Brush. And I'm excited. The reason I got these is because I needed smaller brushes for detailed work. And I love their clear brushes, and this one is number 202. Whoa. And another thing I wanted to tell you guys is lately I've been dropping everything. Like, how annoying. This is how this one looks. Oh, it doesn't have a number. This is just called the Detail Crease Brush, which is the e.l.f. Tapered Blending Brush. And I really like this one. We're going to use this one right now. We're going to go into this shade here, which is called Carbonette. And it's like a dark plum color. I hope these brushes are good. What I noticed though, the handles are short. Now we're going to go into this shade, which is DK Sienna. And this is a plum shimmery shade, and I love it. So let's hope it goes on my lid nicely. And I'm just going to go in with my finger, how I usually do. take that little tapered brush I was using before and blend out the harsh lines. To continue to blend out that shimmer shade I added, I'm going to put Carbonette. So what we're going to do now is take my E28 brush and we're going to go back into purple and just basically, if you guys can see, there's kind of a gap, fill in that gap. Now we're going to do the lower lash line and I get to use my new brush. So I have two. This one's more flimsy and this one's stiffer, as you guys can tell. So we're going to use the more flimsy one first. So we're going to take that, and basically when I do my lower lash line, I don't like doing it in steps. So I'm going to blend in Sorbet, Purple, and Lavender. Oh, I'm not even showing you. I'm going to blend in Sorbet, Purple, and Lavender all together, and that's going to be for my lower lash line. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Carbonette, which is a dark color, on the outer third. Take that little smudger brush, which is the number 202, and this is from e.l.f. as well, and I'm gonna go into Carbonette, which is this shade. I'm gonna use this shade for my brow bone. So we're going to go in with the Maybelline highlight for my inner corner, and I'm going to be using this brush, which is an e.l.f. small smudge brush. And that's going to go there so there's not a gap anymore.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop? You shone as bright as the city before us.
For the lips, I'm changing the color to these two, which is the KKW Beauty Nude 2 and then the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in Unreal, which is here. The reason I'm changing the color is because the So Cute lip gloss by Kylie Cosmetics is too pink. Like, it's warm tone, but it's pink and it's clashing with my eye. So I'm going to just line my lip. I can't talk. I can't talk. Just watch. I can't talk right now.
Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep drowning.
I love the doe foot of this. It has like a gap, so it captures the product really well.
Days of thunder I hate, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into dust? We are fluid like...
So guys, the false lashes did not work out today, but this concludes my makeup look. I will continue trying to apply false lashes. They kept just going upward and I didn't want to risk messing up my makeup that much. So I just decided to stick with what I know and just put mascara. But I promise you, I'm trying to put on false lashes to give you guys like different visions of my makeup looks instead of always just putting on mascara, because that aspect is always the same. So the makeup looks tend to have like that similarity, and I want to set them apart for when I want it to be more dramatic or simple or whatever. So I'm going to continue trying, but I hope you guys do like this look. I actually really like it. It was not hard. It was actually really easy. So what I'm gonna call this is my Plum Glam makeup look, because this is very glam. As you guys can see, I really like it. I'm feeling myself. I hope I didn't have lip gloss this whole time. I know my hair is going through a lot, but anyways, I just wanted to say that I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you guys create something similar, and if you do, just tag me or DM me on Instagram and let me know, because I would love to see that. And I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and leave any suggestions down for any videos that you guys would like to see. See you guys in my Thursday video. Bye!
So I gotta fix this hair. So I'm just gonna clip my hair back. It may not be the cutest look, but it's the most practical.
The ocean water